Okay, so this is the close-up view of the massage gun. It's beautiful. It's made by Roffie, Roffie. One of the best massage guns on the market. One of. I didn't say the best because there truly can't be a best unless all the massage guns have come out and they're not going to make any more. But so far, oh yeah, it's good. It's lightweight, and this is our honest review of how this massage gun actually works on the body, how it feels, if it's comfortable, the feel of it, the smell of it, the taste. No, we don't go all the way that way, but look, everything, all the 5 senses if we can. So the power button, look at it, it's sleek design. We hold it for a couple seconds, and guess what? Oh, it comes on. Listen, nice and silent. It's good to go. So that's why I say it's one of the best so far, because other massage guns on the market right now that you guys have seen, oh yeah, they're pretty loud. They make noise. Some of them are decibels of 80 decibels and under, which is a good thing. Or I would say a silent mode like this, you would have to have a different type of motor that's thicker on the front side. So if you see the massage gun, the motor is thicker up here, that's a good sign. If the motor up here is bigger or thicker or towards the back, it's going to be louder, especially because the vents are going to be on the back side as well. This one doesn't have any vents to push out the air. The vents are up front. So, or I'm sorry, they're up front on the machine. See these holes? That's the venting. So it pushes air that way. Instead of pushing air up or pushing air back to you, that's what makes loud noises. So as you guys can see, it's vibrating at level 1. We're going to go to level 2. Level 3. And then back off. So now that we're at a close-up view, let's look at our charging port again, which is right here. And let's just say again, the USB charging port goes into the wall, or whatever like your receptacle is, like for your iPhone, Samsung phone, or if you can charge it from your laptop or your computer, wherever you want to charge it at, you can plug it in. This portion of it, the connection part that goes into your phone, is USB-C. Now, either way you set this up or down, it's going to go right on in. So right back here, you have a charging port hole. Charging port hole, you find it, plug it right in. That's it. So for a close-up view, grab this camera so you guys can see. There's the maker's name, the do not put your hands in front of the machine warnings. But you can take this off. I'm just leaving it on there so you guys can know that it does come with instructions to let you know that, hey, don't put your hands here because they could be chopped off. It's like, no, they're not going to be chopped off. They'll just be a little sore. It's like getting your hand caught into the door. And so when you take the heads off, as you can see right here, it says, mind your hands. Because remember, this cylinder, or I gotta stop saying cylinder, almost like a barrel or a chamber. This thing comes out, but then back here is exposed to where if you put your nail in here, or if you have long nails, then yeah, it's gonna go right back in, it's gonna get clipped. And so that's what they're basically just saying, mind your hands. That's all. It's mainly for men and women. If you have long nails or jewelry or hanging anything like jewelry, you're hanging over your neck and somehow you bend over and the jewelry gets caught in here, yeah, that could cause a lot of problems. So just make sure you're aware of this area right here, okay? But this is just a close-up view of the massage gun. And let's see the closer view of the heads. So as you can see right here, this was the bullet. This is more of the flat hammer or flat side of a head. Then you have the Y-shaped that goes in between certain areas of the body. So just like your calves or calcaneal tendon, it fits right on in there. See? Perfect. Or for your feet or legs, let's just say we have our leg straight up. And our client is going to hold. See, it goes right in between certain areas at the same time. So if it's moving, it's just going. So mainly for little smaller areas. So now let's see at a close view how it looks or works on the body. Sorry, tickle, tickle.